how to add member to board on Trello. So let's get started. There are two ways how to do it. I'm going to show you the first one. So click on board, then choose the board. I'm going to use this one. And here, when you click on share, you can enter email address or name. I'm going to enter name, and I'm going to invite this person like this. Click on it. Here you can leave him a message. Hello, here is the board. And then simply click on share like this. And this is how can you add a person or member. You can also change from member to admin, or you can simply remove from board this person like this. Okay. And the second way how to do it, how to add member, is just copy this link. Remember, can join as member, choose this option. And just copy this link, and you can simply paste it to your message or email or whatever. And this is how it works. And if they put this link here we go, they're on the board. And this is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And see you later. Bye bye.